What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and we are back with the Maverick in the garage. In today's video, we are going to be ditching this hood prop rod and installing a set of Redline tuning hood struts. We've installed these on quite a few vehicles before, and it has become one of our favorite products and must-have to have on your vehicle. So follow along, we'll show you how to install them on your Ford Maverick. To begin this install, you will need a 13mm socket, and you're going to locate the first bolt here, attaching the hinge to the hood, and you're going to go ahead and remove it. With the nut removed, you are going to find your ball joint plate that's going to be labeled 13. You are going to put it right there, then take the nut you just took off, and you're going to sandwich that plate into place. Now that we have the top mount in place, we're going to go ahead and take the bottom mount and attach it to this little hole right here. I'm going to thread through the supplied hardware. Has a nut we'll thread on the bottom side. Once it's tight, we're going to take a 13mm wrench to hold that bottom nut in place. Now that we have our mounts in place, it's time to go ahead and mount the gas strut to them. So we are going to take the larger housing and we are going to attach it towards the top, and the bottom one is going to go into that mount we just attached. So right there. The top one is going to go right in here and it just snaps in place. All right, now we got that done, we're going to go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. Now that we've got our top mount mounted on our passenger side, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt attaching the washer fluid reservoir, and we're going to be needing a 10mm socket, so we'll go ahead and get that removed. So with that out of the way, you will see this clip here. There's a little ring here. You will need to lift that up with a screwdriver and slide it out. I'll show you just how. All right, now that we have our washer fluid reservoir detached from that mount, we're going to go ahead and put our bottom bracket for the passenger side gas strut. So just like before, it's going to be the same concept. However, we got to make sure we have the plastic mounting point for the washer reservoir in there. So we have our mounts. We're going to get the nut started here on the bottom. Again, we're going to take our 13mm wrench. We're going to tighten. Now that we have our mounts in place, we're going to go ahead and attach this strut here on the passenger side of the vehicle. Again, same process. We're going to make sure the skinnier end is down at the bottom mount and the thicker casing for the gas strut is on the top mount. So we're going to go ahead and pop those in place. We need to lift the hood off the prop rod, which we have now rendered useless. All right, there we go. That's some Redline tuning hood struts installed. Now that we got the hood struts installed, let's see them in action. Now up. Alright guys, so there you have it. Another mod installed here on the Maverick right here in the Panda Motorworks garage. If you guys like this video, be sure you're smashing that like button. If you want to pick up a set of hood struts for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave the link for that product in the description below. And if you enjoyed this content, want to see more, be sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching.